coming back to school with me? We could have done it all so easily.
Hi, my name is Craig Thompson Wood. I'm the board game teacher. Thanks for coming to the classroom. Today I'm taking a look at part 4 of my 9-part series on the Engage Math program as put up by the Peel District School Board. Today's topic, purposeful practice. So just to dive right into it, let's take a look at what the Engage Math document says about purposeful practice, and as much as how does it define the term purposeful practice. It says, purposeful practice is practice that is thoughtful and deliberate while being responsive to individual students' needs and to enhance students' conceptual and procedural understanding of mathematics. So throughout this topic today, I'm going to be looking at how board games can be used for that purpose. Again, like a Swiss Army knife, the board games can fit a lot of different roles and different things. There are other ways to, of course, to provide purposeful practice, but I just want to stress that board games are a great way that this can be done. So it is something that I think that teachers should be considering. So in looking at what it says there, the practice, as mentioned, should be thoughtful and deliberate and responsive to the individual student's needs. So as you are playing games with students, you may be doing things particular to a topic that you're teaching. So say for example, I use cockroach poker for my probability unit. So that would be purposeful in there. But you could also be looking to games for students who are weaker in some areas that maybe you could suggest some games for them to be playing or ask them to be playing when they have free time, just because it will give them that kind of practice that they need. So again, it's thoughtful to their needs, it's deliberate for their needs, and it was going to assist them in their conceptual and procedural understanding of the mathematics that they're performing. So say, for example, they're playing a game like Sleeping Queens. This game is really good for teaching some basic arithmetic facts. If you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing of single-digit numbers. So this one here would be something that you could use to encourage students who are weaker with their basic math facts to say, I would like you to play this, when they have some time, or make some time to play with them. And the document goes on to say, like, through purposeful practice, there's going to be great understanding, there's going to be a greater likelihood of the student able to make sense of what it is that you are trying to teach them through the play of the game. I just want to read to you a quote from the Guide to Effective Mathematics Instruction. Effective mathematics instruction is enhanced when teachers develop and deepen their own understanding of mathematics, of student learning, and of strategies that promote mathematical proficiency. This understanding can help to ensure that teachers are informed and critical thinkers who are able to make wise choices about activities, strategies, and resources, and who are able to provide a comprehensive program that supports children's development of mathematical proficiency. Again, looking at this from the board game perspective, in terms of the power that they have to be able to help us in our pedagogy and in our teaching of these kids, and to make these things more meaningful, to make the practice more purposeful. See what I did there? So the document even says we need to look at our strategies and our resources of what we can do in order to help students to develop mathematical proficiency. Well, games, gamification, board games is all about this. It's about making the learning more fun so the students are more motivated, but there's still so much math that happens in a lot of these games that it's a really great way to have the students doing it, because they are more encouraged to be practicing more often. And teachers would just do well to be aware of what kinds of games are out there and what kinds of games might be best suited for their classroom in order to be able to provide this kind of purposeful practice of mathematics in their own classroom through some of the games that I have displayed here. Well, that's going to be it for today's episode. If you have any questions about the Engage Math document and board games or purposeful practice, anything at all, leave me a message in the comment section below. Any suggestions? Comment section below. But until next time, I'm Craig Thompson Wood, the board game teacher, saying thanks for coming to the classroom.
Are you coming back to school with me? done it all so